Guys, welcome to Uwa Clothes. I went to shopping. I went to Guess and Klein to go and buy some bags. I needed something that will elevate my everyday outfit, something that will make me look put together instantly. So don't forget to like and subscribe. The first bag is from Klein. First time I saw this bag, I knew that it will work in my closet, my wardrobe, because it's very simple but at the same time elegant. So instantly I know that it will work in my closet. I like this bag. It's a silver hardware, and there is a space on it. My phone, my makeup, my lipstick, it will work very well. And I really like the silver with, look at the hand. I think you can't go wrong. I really like it. I think it's nice because it's something that is a little bit more elevated than the simple Zara or something like that. So I needed something that will elevate my everyday outfit. And there is a big pocket on the back, and you can decide to put your phone on it so that you won't bother open the bag and be closing it. So even iPhone. So there's a big space on the back for something else. You can decide what to put in it. So it's a very classic bag with the details of the Klein. So it's nice. Then the second bag I picked in Klein is this bag. Instantly I saw this bag. I know that this is the bag. Like for going out, you can't go wrong with this bag. And there is enough space. Inside is red. I like these details of the red inside to make it look more luxurious, more nice. Your phone, your makeup, everything will go inside because I've tried it and you can see that there's enough space, of which is very important when you are going out in the evening. Your car key, your ask, everything, like seriously. And there's these details of the Klein here. The hard silver. Instantly, your outfit will look elegant. I think this one is one of my favorites because it's difficult to say the evening bag that will look nice at the same time simple. I like that the fact that there's two colors. There is white and there is black, so it will go well for evening out. And I like the details behind. It's very beautiful because you can decide to use it as a simple clutch. Depends on the way you are dressing. You can also use it to adjust a clutch. So I think it's something added that it has, and so it's beautiful. So it depends on your style. You will decide the way to style it. It's amazing. Then from girls, I picked this bag. I needed something neutral. I knew that this bag will make my outfit look nice. I need something for my brand jacket or my neutral jacket, at least to make it look good together instantly. So, and this bag you can use it for daily and evening art too, because there is a very space inside, and you have this zip side too, so you can put some things here, some things here. It depends on the way you use your bag. And I love the color. It will go with everything. This bag is amazing. It's beautiful. And I like the gold details because it's something different, because my Klein is more silver details and this is gold details, so it will look very nice.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.